You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly in English. For more vocabulary, I'll link to many more confusing words in English at the end of this video. The British English pronunciation in the UK is as condom. Condom, a stress on the first syllable, condom. In American English in the US, it's more often pronounced as condom. Condom. Condom, American English pronunciation, or condom, British English. Easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.